paid the stuff. Oh, it's supposed to be a video? That's fine. Okay. Yeah, so I braided them this way, going down, and then I plait like maybe one right here or something, and then they all like went down that way, but then I elastic them up, and this is the do for today. This is the do, so we'll work with this. I'm trying to see if this is flattering before I actually braid my hair this way. We're taking down all the stuff. Or you can zoom in this mode. This is our progress. That wall is empty and baby's being of such great help. So we only have this left, that section left, and we've compiled everything in this little area. So, yup.
sound really fine 아무렇지 않은 척 아무도 모르게 조심하는데 또 티가 났나 봐 sound really fine
Trying to match me. You see, he's trying to be like me. Because I'm in black. He wants to be in black too. Don't he? Admit it. Admit it.
I just feel like we're in black today. What's up?
Sure.
I sound really fine 아무렇지 않은 척 아무도 모르게 조심하는데 또
You want to talk?
Hi, I'm Josh. I don't know why my eye color is changing, and that's kind of weird. Why?
For the cap? They would need a lot of it. But let the people know why we're here.
We're going to pay first. Gonna be pulled out by salary deduction. It's gonna be have to be paid over the counter. So
Can they hear you?
we're heading in to make our first payment.
Yup. I see line outside people. Oh my gosh. Eh?
We're not on the mask.
Yeah. Look at this. Baby, you know you need to start wearing socks. I'd recommend that you take a screenshot of what you see on the screen right now. Yeah, because that little receipt or form, mini form, I think it's a receipt. You have to fill it out with your information before going to the till, and so you would need your account number. So don't forget your account number, your NIS number, and if you're paying for someone else, you need to know their address and so forth. Oh, and your telephone number. So simple information like that is very important to complete the form. And so I'd recommend that you have all those together, because I didn't know my NIS number and so forth out of my head, so yeah, and I had to fill out 2 forms, so we had to go and do that before going up. So we paid the stuff and we are heading home. It wasn't that bad, right?
Yeah, the line wasn't as long as we thought it would have been. We're heading back home.
Yeah, it really wasn't that bad at all. I don't know why it wasn't bad. How come?
I know a lot of people know that never show to the pay for the month, so
Oh, we get away.
we got away.
Yeah, and it was, the lady was looking at us like, how come they don't finish filling out the form? We didn't know that there was a form to fill out and all that.
It's done.
Yeah, it's done.
Not good.
Yep. Stalking the boyfriend. I went to work with him after we paid that bill. Yup. Say hi.
Viewers.
Apparently she's our little fan. This is so cute. What's her name? Shanique. That's a pretty name. You see her hair? It's nice and pretty. Alright, nice to meet you. So, would it be a vlog without my supplement? I think not. I think not. Oh god. So, I'm making a list. Sorry, unflattering angle. But I'm making a list of stuff I need to do still. Shout out to Nelson for helping me today, because boy, when life happens, it surely happens. True. Yeah, but he's doing some work on the route so that at least it can be counted that he did work and so forth. And he had put in some orders before and stuff, so we have to rush and go back over so that I can finish my promotion list and the updated version and some other stuff. So I hope you guys are having a good day. I mean, I know it's challenging, I know it's hard, like things are just, you know, they're just not going as planned, and I'm hoping that you're not giving up, and I hope that you're looking at life. Hold on there, shoot the music. I'm hoping that you're looking at life with a positive outlook, like, you know, taking everything one step at a time, and even if you feel overwhelmed, that you would just I'm just looking at him, that you just try and just find something to just relax here, like relax you, and just, you know, get back up again and just make a plan and, you know, push through, because it's all we can do. Oh my god, you know, when you're hungry, see, it's a hell of a thing. Alright, so we are, Josh is there washing the car, soaping up the car, and Sky is over there playing. It's what? Okay, I'm coming. He's washing the... Okay, so we're...
Is it off?
Yes, it's off. Sky, stay. Jesus. Right now, we're trying to
brush.
Wait, now, Josh. I'm just going to give you the brush. Go over that side and ensure that he stays. Okay, come. Sky, come. Come. We have this soap. Sky! Sky! Jeez, please, Sky. Hey, come. Come here. Come here. Look here. Sky, look here. Jeez. Come back. Sky. Don't go in the house, you know. I can't stop him. Okay. Sky. 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 Josh, you asked Grandma to turn off the pipe?
I did after.
No, you don't know when him turn off.
Yes,
Ah! No, you don't, because I'm still hearing water being... Turn it the other way, Josh. Turn the pipe the other way. Jeez. Sky, don't go inside. Oh, God. First time being out of his chain. Sky, Sky, good. Come back down. Come here, come here, come here, come here. Please don't go over there, okay? You hear me? He's so tall. Sky, stay. Hi, boy. Huh? Okay. You're gonna give it to him that way or around there, sir? Sky, where for going, sir? So his car, is it the dirt? I don't think it's the dirt. Ooh. So dirty. Sky, why are you making so much noise? Where are you going to? Sky, call him again, mommy. So Sky, dude, excuse me. Excuse me. Oh my god. Seriously, dude? I'm frightened, obviously. You know why? Mr. Hello. Squeaky clean. Do you see the clean car? Babe, you didn't wash this side. Can you come wash yours also, please? If Josh ever did figure this out.
Sam, may I take the oars and we take what you like?
No! Just wait, no. No, no, no. You can't wait me because I have the phone in my hand. No! No! Jesus. So, we are cleaning the cars. And this area, this area is like a pigsty. So, I got this bag and I'm gonna throw everything in here. Embarrassing, huh? Yup. Oh, yes, sorry. Look at this. Disgusting. Look at that one. It's so bad. And Mr. Taylor is washing his windscreen. It's in the
grass.
That's so pretty.
Oh no.
What?
Push off the wheel.
Okay.
That's how they come in.
Hold on.
That's
That's all. So we're back home and he's on a call. So I'm ending the video for us. So bye guys. Thanks for watching.